Back pass again. Shot! And that's the goal number 3 here. Cortalim villages 3, packs of Nagoa 2. Packs of Nagoa. He's entering into the box there. Only the goalkeeper is there to bit. It's very difficult to miss from such. So substitution there. Velroy comes in place of Jesloy. Oh, that was another chip to the box. Tackled from behind. And it's going to be a free kick in favor of them. Away that one. Still chances there. Oh, mistake there by the defense. And that's a penalty. Goalkeeper there ready. Schubert Jonas. Again, another golden chance there. Oh, free player there. Through ball forward. Ball comes in. Shot! Shot from distance. This time also, that was not on target. A player there lying on the pitch. 4 minutes of regulation time left. Another change there. Sydney comes in place of Delton. Delton Coelho. This time they're commencing their attack from the right flank. Shot!